Hi friends, this is Ishu, and yesterday we studied what is complex potential, and today we are going to see the magnitude of velocity at any point in a two-dimensional irrotational motion. So let W equals to f of z be the complex potential, then W equals to phi plus I psi and z equals to x plus iy. This is equation number 1. We know from the Cauchy-Riemann equations del phi by del x equals to del psi by del y, and del phi by del y equals to minus del psi by del x, as we studied yesterday. So this is equation number 2, and when we differentiate this w with respect to x, we'll get del w by del x, and we can write it as del w by del z into del z by del x. So equals to del phi by del x plus I del psi by del x, and when we differentiate this z with respect to x, we'll get del z by del x equals to 1, because differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, and this will become 0. So del z by del x equals to 1. So we'll substitute that value here, and we'll get del w by del z equals to del phi by del x, and this del psi by del x equals to minus del phi by del y. So we'll substitute here minus I del phi by del y. It will be, so this will from the equation number 2. This we call it as equation number 3, and this will become del w by del z equals to u minus iv, or we can also write it as minus u plus iv. So this is equation number 4, so which is called the complex velocity. This is called the complex velocity. Del w by del z equals to minus u plus iv, and this is nothing but the Cauchy-Riemann equation. No need to write it again. So from equation 3 and 4, what we conclude is the magnitude of velocity q at any point in a two-dimensional irrotational motion is given by mod of dw by dz, where dw by dz equals to root of del phi by del x whole square plus del phi by del y whole square. Del phi by del x is nothing but u, and del phi by del y is nothing but v. So we write it here, and it will be the value of q. So the points where velocity is 0 are known as stagnation points. This is the definition of stagnation point. So this is all about the magnitude of velocity at any point in a two-dimensional irrotational motion, and its value will be root of u square plus v square. So I hope you understood it, and thank you.